I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are doing a 4th of July inspired set, and I'm going to be using Storm, Lady in Red, and these are all chunky mixes. Now I was going to use Look At Me Now, which is a silver hollow, but I didn't end up using it, but still wanted to show you guys because it's absolutely a bomb. And I'll be using these blue and red acrylics from Neon Nails. They have a wide variety of colours and everything like that, so you should definitely go and check them out. The brush that I'm using today, I'm sure it is the number 10 magic stick, but I don't show it, so I can't quite remember, but I think that it definitely is. So yeah, I'll have that link down below for you guys as well. So I'm going to go ahead, and on this first nail I am just going to be adding the blue acrylic, and then over the top of that I'll be placing Storm. I'll just be using the wet acrylic at first to be able to pat some of that glitter in there. This way I'm not going to add any more bulk by using lots of clear acrylic, but then I do come and add a slight bit of clear as well and add some more of that chunky glitter. When I'm working with chunky glitters, depending on whether I want a glass nail effect, I always like to use a corresponding colour behind it just to fill in the gaps, or even if you go in with like a finer glitter to fill in those gaps. So as you can see, I use the navy blue behind, and then I'm just adding Storm on top, and it looked absolutely stunning. So next I'm moving on to the ring finger, and this is the colour block nail, so it's kind of representing the flag waving almost in a kind of roundabout kind of way. So I started off with the white, and then we're going to go in with the blue, the red, and then the white again. I think that's the way that I do it. But yeah, I'm just using my brush, and this acrylic, the white, is from Nailmate, which you guys know is coming soon, and I cannot freaking wait to share it with you guys. So I'm basically just working that acrylic with my brush. I'm not going to come in and file this because it's such an intricate kind of design, and it's got those curves in there. It would be quite difficult to refine with your hand file, so it's best to get it as best as possible using your brush. So it's really important that you do work with it in the right consistency, allowing enough time for you to move that product around and build up a nice high wall for you then to put that next lot of product behind. So next I'm coming in with the blue, and I'm doing exactly the same thing, allowing that product to settle itself, and then come in with my brush and move it. If you move it too soon, it will just go back down to where it kind of were, but you want to keep pushing it up and really butting your brush up against it and making that wall nice and high and nice and flat. You don't want to poke your brush into it, because then you're going to have little bits where when you file there'll be like a dint or a divot in the actual design. You want to really use your brush flat on the side. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that with both of those colours, and then we'll move back onto the next nail. So for the next nail, I'm coming in with the red acrylic. I'm going to place that over the entire nail as a nice base, and then I'm coming in with the Lady in Red glitter, which is from glitterplanetuk.com. As well, you can use my discount code on my website, which is Glitter Planet, and it's Ninja10. I'll have it linked down below for you guys as well, just so you don't forget. So next I'm moving on to the other finger, and I'm coming in with a full nail of blue. Now this is going to be the background for these stars, so I decided to do that on the blue background because I'm sure that the stars are in the blue section on the flag, and then it's red and white stripes. Pretty sure. I'm not great at geography, not great at flags and all that, you know, but yeah, that is why I decided to do the stars on the blue. So I'm just doing that over the entire nail, and then into the wet acrylic, not using any extra product. I'm going to be patting in some holographic stars, and I did these quite uniform and lined up, so I did a line straight down the middle, and then in between each one, that's where the next one kind of went, so that it looked really nice and like the design had actually been thought about. Now these stars are available as well at glitterplanetuk.com. And then after I've finished doing that and I'm happy with the placement, I'm coming in with the unicorn film, and this is in the cool selection. So you get 5 pieces within that collection. They are 20 centimeters long and they're absolutely stunning. So today I am going to be using the silver holographic one, and that is just going to be cut up into nice little pieces that are around about the length of the nail, and I'm just going to be placing some on the red nail and also on the blue nail that is exactly the same as this but just in blue. And I'm just using some wet acrylic to do that, so I've run some wet acrylic over the top of the entire nail really thinly, just to act as a glue to hold that unicorn film in place. Okay, so now I've finished the entire design, I'm going to come in and encapsulate everything in clear acrylic, and then I'll be straight back when I need to be back, okay? So now I've finished encapsulating the design and filed and everything like that. I'm coming in with this 3D nail art mold, and I'm using these stars naturally because obviously that is what this set is all about. So I'm just putting some white acrylic into 2 of the stars, and then I'm going to allow them to set and we'll place them on the nail. Now this mold is available from Glitter Planet, but you can also get it from wherever the heck you want. Yeah, I'll have it linked down below for you guys, and remember as well, you can use the 10% off code on Glitter Planet. Okay, so to attach the little 3D pieces that we've just made in the mold, I've just applied some clear acrylic, only a tiny amount just because that's all you need, and then you just place in the piece exactly where you want it, hold it down for a second and then let it set, and once you've done that you're ready to add the top coat. So that is how simple those molds are to use. I think they're absolutely fabulous, and they just add some little extra details because let's be honest, to sculpt a star would be a pain in the butt. Even though it would be possible, I mean, why not just use a little mold and get those nice crisp angles? So now I've finished applying those, I'm coming in and I'm going to apply top coat over the entire set and then add a few crystals just on this nail. Once you've finished applying the crystals and cured in the light, you go ahead and add some nice cuticle oil, massage that in, and then this is the final result. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you love the way it turned out. I really had fun creating this design for you guys, and I hope I did you guys proud as well. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it and comment down below what you want to see next. And please always remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye!
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.